When is the right time to buy an investment property? With the recent high gains in property, especially in Sydney, is it the right time to buy? Hello, I'm John Cross, a Yellow Brick Road Wealth Manager, and I'm here to quickly give you my opinion on the right time to buy a property. My opinion is buy whenever you can and in a good location. Buy to keep, and if possible, buy where you can improve the property asset. From my rich experiences in investing in property, you can never go wrong in the long term. I have seen properties that I've owned and mistakenly sold go from my sale price of $165,000 to $700,000 in just 13 years. And that's a compounding return of over 11.75%. And you know what? The rent would have paid for the property and I could have kept it. So talk about making money. Now, I do consider residential property the safest and best way to build wealth because you can understand it and you can control the situation better than many other investments. For example, you can easily understand the property market, especially in your local area, and you'll know what is good value and you'll know what earning is a fair rent. You can control when you're going to sell it, when it suits you, and the property value is not revalued by the bank every day like a share portfolio is if it has a margin loan. For property, you can also have much higher levels of gearing and leverage, so less money or equity is required to control a much larger asset. And best of all, you can actually control that gearing and leverage levels by making sure you have a smart loan. Now, another tip is ignore the pessimists. I've been hearing that there's going to be a property crash next year for over 40 years. Even at the start of last year, it was going to crash. And yet Sydney went up 19.7% and Melbourne went up 15.2% in gross returns. Now sure, look, there may be some downturns in value and it may not go much. I experienced a 15% drop in one property back in the GFC. But that's nothing compared to the share market that year that dropped over 50%. Finally, I remember a picture of a real estate office over 30 years ago that showed the picture of an old man with the caption, "The young man waiting for real estate to drop." If you'd like to benefit from advice on financial planning and especially property investment, let's get it happening. It's so easy. Call me and we can organise a time for a free consultation and give you some peace of mind.